Good morning.
Morning.
So, what's the plan for today? We're heading into the belly of the beast, the eye of the storm.
Okay. Sounds scary.
I know it does sound kind of scary.
Well, right where we are in the Santa Cruz Mountains right now is going to be the worst today.
And right now it's fine.
Yeah, so we're going to leave. And then I'm sure we're going to be going through some heavy rain. But it's coming here and we're going north, so hopefully we'll kind of get out of it.
Yeah. In the meantime, we're probably going to just rush to get home because we got to get back. We got Thanksgiving coming up this week and next week. And
yeah. In Mendocino County and all that up there's kind of flooded. Campgrounds are closed.
Huh.
So we'll save that for another trip.
All right. But let's pack up pretty soon here and make our way back to Portland. So join us for another Sqwatch Dog adventure. Well, it's nice here in Felton right now. We've got some blue sky. But over that way, it looks a little ominous. But it sure is pretty. What a beautiful sunrise. Well, we are hitting the road again, leaving our Harvest Host site for the night here at this winery. This winery's old, like really old. So we are racing the storm.
Are we racing into it or away from it?
We're racing away from it, I think, right?
Yeah.
Will we beat it?
I think we're going to hit some of it.
So far, so good. It's a little cloudy out there. And it looks like it rained overnight, not too long ago. So hopefully we are going to beat the front and not run into a front. We'll just be kind of in between fronts. All the way up. We're gonna see how far. We might try to make it all the way to Portland, but I doubt we'll make it that far. But you never know. What is it, 10 hours? Almost 11?
Something like that.
Yeah, we're not gonna make that. Uh-oh. It's sprinkling. Oh, it's sprinkling, Brad. Well, we are still racing the storm, but we're crawling behind an accident. Boo a hiss. Boo a hiss. Well, the weather looks a little weird. I mean, we're dry right now, but there's some gnarly looking clouds out there. So, I don't know. Hey, Brad, you think we're going to hit some gnarly weather?
I don't know. Maybe we are in the window of no rain, hopefully. Maybe.
So the rain has been coming down. We must be in the storm. But I don't know that it's the worst of it yet. Brad, do you think it's the worst of it yet?
I don't know. It depends how long it lasts.
It'll be interesting to see if we see any flooding or anything like that. But
Too windy.
yeah, I think once we get north of Sacramento area, that we'll be in a better situation.
Oh, good. You're right.
Me too. It's wet, but I gotta admit it's not as bad as I thought it was gonna be.
Typical rain.
Yeah. Here we are at a rest stop just north of Willows, California, and it looks like we just missed a big old storm here. It's wet. Boo hiss, we're back in it. It's been windy most of the way, hasn't it?
Yeah. Now we're getting back into the
Wet
what
stuff.
do they call that thing?
The atmospheric river
Yeah, that's right.
or the bomb cyclone?
I don't know. Which one is it? Better pay attention.
or the Daracha. They come up with all these crazy names. That sounds scary. But I will say that the rivers here look like they're really running high, and like there's been some flooding in this area near Redding, California.
Yeah.
This is closed down here. I wonder if they had some flooding. It is wet and windy on this bridge. Holy cow. You having a hard time driving in this wind?
Not too bad.
Yeah,
The lake's filling up at least.
that's true. Is that Lake Shasta?
Yes.
Oh. So we're going to start going over the pass here pretty soon. The infamous I-5 Mount Shasta Pass.
Yeah, starting to go up.
Doesn't look like it's closed, so that's good.
Yeah. It's warm.
Yeah, for sure. Wet. Think there'll be snow up there though?
Probably. It snowed a couple days ago, I think.
Yeah.
Quite a bit. I don't think it's all melted.
There's a little snow up here on the top of the pass, but I think a lot of it got washed away with the rain once it started warming up.
We're not at the top of the pass, though.
Oh, we're not?
No.
Okay.
We're going to love this.
Never mind.
Weed and Shasta stuff.
Now we got snow. We're still not at the top. That's crazy. There is a little patch of blue sky up there. Right there. Meanwhile, there is snow on Mount Shasta.
I'm going to get a Coke and an ice cream bar.
An ice cream bar?
And a Coke.
An ice cream bar?
And a Coke.
An ice cream bar with all this snow?
Yeah.
That's silly. Man, there is a lot of snow here in Mount Shasta. This is crazy. Oh, boy, lots of snow. Hard to believe we were in sunshine and shorts the other day. California. I guess we still are in California. We got a rainbow.
Yeah, weed.
That's cool. Not sure, but I think we're in between storm fronts.
Kind of feels like it.
Yeah, a little pocket of blue sky.
Although I don't think Portland area was going to be as bad as Northern California.
Yeah?
So it should be pretty good the rest of the way, I think.
You think it'll get better the rest of the way?
Probably even better.
Okay.
Not better than this.
Well, I gotta stop talking and take a video of this rainbow coming up. The weather here doesn't seem too bad. It looks like we've got some snow maybe up ahead, but maybe?
It's 54 degrees.
What's that up there?
Being on the mountains.
Yeah.
There's snow on the mountains. Yeah.
It looks like
not
it's
good
snowing up there right now.
Yeah.
What do you think that is?
Rain.
We'll see if I do. But
It's the Pineapple Express.
Pineapple Express. There's no snow in Pineapple. But it sounds like you are chomping at the bit to get home tonight. Even though we're not
Chomping
even...
at the bed, I just think maybe I'll just drive all the way home.
Okay. So, how far away are we from Oregon?
20 miles maybe.
Okay. So it's what, 4 hours?
We're 40, about 40 miles from
307 miles right there. Winter driving conditions.
They lie.
Are you scared? We are going up and over Mount Ashland. We're in Oregon, Brad! Yay! We made it to Oregon.
Now we just got to get over the pass, the Sqwatch Pass. Cross your fingers.
Okay.
It's the highest elevation on I-5.
This is?
Yeah, 4,300 feet or something like that. Now it's steep all the way to Ashland. Steep, steep, steep.
So, 4 hours later, we finally made it home. What a great trip, though. Thank you so much for tagging along. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. It would mean a lot. Meanwhile, happy trails.